Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So how to check and enable and disable notification on any Android phone. Let's say if you don't want more notification and unwanted notification you want to disable, you must check these few settings. So get into the settings. In the settings we have notification. So in the notification, as you can see, we have AliExpress and all these apps, they are actually enabled, so you can choose one by one and you can choose them. So if you want to get a notification from them, so I'm just gonna choose AliExpress supposed to be disabled. We don't want any notification. Let's say Bing. In the browser you calculate the calendars, call management and all these apps. So if you feel that you don't need the notification from a specific app, you can actually disable them. So I'm just gonna disable meet time also. So let's say I'm gonna enable my Vodacom. Actually we need the notification from my Vodacom. So that's how you enable and disable any notification from any specific app. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel so we can make more videos.